Now that Kali Linux is up and running, we want to download Burp Suite. A quick Google search and it will take you to the Portswigger website, where you will see it says go straight to the downloads link. Click on that and it will default to the correct version for you. Hit the download button once confirmed and it will appear in your downloads folder. The file itself is just over 300 meg, so it will take a little while, depending on your connection. Installing Burp Suite comes next and requires you to change the permissions of the file prior to install. Navigate to the downloads folder and locate the file with the ls command. Then at this point, we are going to use the chmod command with a +x to give full permissions, using sudo before the command to run the command as a root user. Once this has been run, type in ls again and it will show the file as bold green. To complete the install, we finally have to issue the sudo // and Burp Suite file name, and by the end of this process, you will have a full working version of Burp. It does again take a little while to install on your machine. I have already installed on this machine, so I will cancel the install for now, but for you, let this run to the end. Click on the Kali menu icon on the top left and you will be able to see Burp Suite Community Edition right there. By clicking the icon, it will fire up the application and you will see the Burp Suite interface to confirm that the app is now fully installed. It will say temporary project in memory, so just click on next and finally click the Start Burp button. It is going to run through the loading process and then the interface will pop up with various menus across the top, such as Dashboard, Target, Proxy, Intruder, and so on. In the coming videos, we are going to be using Target, Proxy and Intruder menus for a little bit of web app penetration. Thanks for watching the video up to this point and we hope your Burp Suite is fully functional. Like, share and subscribe and we will see you again very soon for more videos on the G-Man channel.